Hi everyone, it's the Gig Guy London. Today I want to talk to you about vehicle insurance whilst working with Amazon Flex and some of the potential issues that may arise in the future. Now, I've taken some screenshots from the help menu in the Amazon app. These screenshots were taken last week. Admittedly, I've had issues today accessing the help menu. It's all coming out blank. So here's some screenshots anyway that I took last week, and we'll go through them. What are the terms of the additional cover insurance? The additional cover insurance is arranged by Amazon Services Europe, SARL, whatever that is, and is underwritten by Zurich Insurance PLC. It is provided free of charge to Amazon Flex delivery partners during a promotional period. We will be sure to notify all delivery partners 60 days prior to the promotional period ending. What am I covered for under the additional cover insurance? If you are eligible to be covered by the additional cover insurance, you'll be covered from the time you scan your first parcel for delivery until you scan your last parcel or return to the depot to drop off undelivered parcels, whichever is later. What is the policy number? Zurich Insurance PLC, and it's got the policy number 7 blah 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 blah. What should I do if I have an incident? You must report any accident, claim or loss in respect to your vehicle, irrespective of perceived fault, to the Zurich First Response Centre. Number stated, and the policy number is also stated. And it also states that a claim can be submitted 24 hours a day. Let's break this down. Amazon said they're going to give you 60 days notice via email of any intention to cancel their promotional offer for commercial cover, which is currently provided by Zurich PLC. Okay, if that was the case, for you to continue working with Amazon, you're going to have to provide your own insurance to cover you for when you're carrying commercial goods. Now, that commercial insurance comes in the form of hire and reward insurance. So that's going to come at an additional cost to you, which is issue number 1. So, commercial insurance differs from your private insurance policy on your vehicle. So you may have comprehensive policy cover on your private vehicle at the moment, or you may have third-party fire and theft on your vehicle. All that's going to get scrapped. Yeah, you're going to start a new policy, a new commercial policy. So the 2 years, if you've got 2 years, no claims bonus. If you've got 5 years, no claims bonus. If you have 10 years, no claims bonus. It's going to bed. That's getting buried. Yeah, because when you start your commercial insurance policy, you're going to start on 0 no claims bonus. Issue number 2. So what are the costs involved? Okay, for hire and reward insurance, I can only speak for London because that's where I'm based. It's coming in at 3k per year. Now let's break that down to monthly instalments. That's £250 a month. You're gonna have to find £250 a month to pay the insurance. You can't offset this off your tax. This is insurance for your vehicle. Yeah, it's just a running cost. You can't offset that. Yeah, so if you're self-employed, you can't submit that to your accountant. They're not having it. What other costs do you have to incur? Normal costs, running costs of your vehicle, fuel, tax, MOT, and any other maintenance costs, brakes, tyres, windscreen wipers, you name it. I mean, someone smashed your glass, you have to replace that. These are all maintenance costs. Okay. Running costs over the course of the year. So, give you an example. You do 2 blocks a week. So over 4 weeks, you do 8 blocks. You make, for example, £100 a week, £400 a month. Now, 250 of that is going to have to go towards paying the commercial insurance. And then you have to provide fuel for your vehicle. Let's say a full tank over the course of the month just to do Amazon. Yeah, that's another 50 quid. That's £300 a month. There may be other small insignificant costs, but let's keep it at 300. You're currently making 400 from 2 blocks a week, £400 a month from 2 blocks a week. You're giving away 300 quid. So in essence, you're doing 8 blocks for £100. Is that viable for you? Are you going to go out your way and do all that work for an extra £100 a month? Does that make any sense? Okay, now the third issue I want to raise is how is Amazon going to implement this policy? Now, number one, they could ask you to submit evidence of your commercial cover to enable you to drive with Amazon. Yeah, so you might have to send in a copy of your hire and reward. Sorry about my hire and reward insurance. They might ask you to send in a copy anyway. So, or number two, they may ask you not to send it in. Yeah, and then just instruct you to do it and leave that to you. So I'm going to give you a quick scenario now. You are driving, you haven't got a commercial insurance policy, you're using your private policy. You have a terrible accident, you're taken to hospital, your car's recovered, your insurance company gets hold of your car to carry out their own inspection. They find lots of Amazon parcels in the back, so therefore they find out that you're doing, you're working with Amazon on your private policy, and they know you're not covered. So you are now liable for all the damage to your vehicle. You are liable for any damage to any other vehicle. You're liable for any health costs that you may incur, and you're driving your car outside of the terms and conditions of the policy. So next time you go to get an insurance policy, it's going to be really expensive, or you're not going to get cover. They're the issues that I see arising. I'm not sure if Amazon's going to ask you to submit proof of your hire and reward insurance. It's going to be very difficult for them to lose so many drivers in such a short space of time, because in my view, I think most people will just switch off. So it's not going to be viable for them to introduce or to take away their current insurance policy with Zurich PLC and ask you to provide your own insurance. Let me hear your views on this matter. Interesting topic. Leave your comments below, as always, and hit the subscribe button if you like the content. This is the Gig Guy, London, signing out. Peace.